you get? I mean, say riding here in Dubai, is it different, much different than any other country?
Yes, it is. It's a lot hotter. The scenery is wonderful. I love seeing the camels and the sunrise when we're out early enough.
And how do you feel personally? Do you ride yourself?
No, I don't.
You enjoy being a passenger?
I enjoy being a passenger, yes.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us here. Okay, so how do you find riding in Dubai different than, say, in the US?
Well, when you're riding out on the road, it's a different kind of scenery. It's a different kind of distance that you can travel. In the States, you plan long trips and ride for days. You know, here you plan a day trip.
Okay, and Don, how is it with the riding for you over here in Dubai?
Well, it's wonderful. The weather is perfect for riding a Harley. There's lots of places to go. Scenery is much different in the U.S. or most anywhere else in the world. So you look out for the camels and the goats. If you can do that, you'll do fine. It's lovely riding here, though.